Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with their Comrade. This video is going to help those students who want to prepare and who want to go for the IELTS. Obviously they need academy, but if they can't afford academy fee, so watch this video. In this video I am going to tell you that how can you prepare yourself for the IELTS at home. So let's get started. IELTS tips and strategies. The first one is work on vocabulary. Now, how can you improve your vocabulary? Pick up a newspaper or magazine to practice your vocabulary. Read or pay close attention to such words that are unfamiliar to you and try to make sentences on those words which are unfamiliar to you. And by reading newspaper or magazines, you can obviously improve your sentence structure. The more you encounter complex words, the more you will learn their meanings and importance. Also refer to the supporting context to understand sentence formations. So this is the first tip to improve your vocabulary and to go for the IELTS test, to prepare yourself for the IELTS test at home. The first one is work on vocabulary. And the second one is remember you have to learn better vocabulary which can include a few complex words. Obviously, if you are preparing for the IELTS, so IELTS needs different vocabulary. You have to use different vocabulary. For example, instead of using the word basic, use fundamental, essential, foundation, and integral. But avoid using rudimentary, constitutional, basal, etc. Use words that you can remember and implement them. And the second tip, improve writing skills. There are specific parameters for improving your writing skills to get the desired score in the IELTS exam. You need to follow these IELTS writing tips to enhance your performance. The first one is during your preparation, always practice keeping in mind the word limit. Word limitation is important in IELTS exam. Preparation for the IELTS task 2 take more time than IELTS writing task 1. Remember, speed and accuracy are the keys to better preparation. Analyze the question carefully and cover all the given points in the writing task. Check for common mistakes and mend them before you submit your answer. And the third tip is fluency and pronunciation. This is the most important one. Your fluency and pronunciation will matter in the IELTS speaking exams. The speaking exam is divided into 3 parts and it takes a total of 11 to 15 minutes. During your preparation, be confident. These are the tips that you must be confident and answer the questions and be loud and clear. Don't speak slowly. Try to be in a loud voice. Try to speak in a loud voice. And your voice, your words, your sentences should be clear to the examiner. Record your practice sessions and listen to them to improve every day. This is the best tip, that you must record your sessions and you must listen by yourself. Then you will be able to know that what things I should improve in myself, what skills I should improve in myself. And listen to English shows and news channels as much as possible. And the fourth tip is that enhance listening skills. Online news channels are ideal because news broadcasts contain a good mixture of reports and conversations. For all parts of the IELTS exam, BBC News is the best news to be heard, to be watched for the IELTS preparation. For the listening test, listen to the news from a range of English speaking countries, for example, UK, Ireland, US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and South Africa. So you understand different accents because they have all had this, all countries have different accents, so you will understand different accent of their English. Broadcasts are also an excellent resource. They can last for as little as 2 minutes or go on for an hour or more. They also cover a vast range of topics. And TED talks are online lectures, often very short, and are perfect for practicing listening to monologues. Again, the range of topics is huge. Then there is YouTube itself. YouTube is also the best platform to improve your listening skills, to improve your speaking, to improve your even reading, because there are many things which are written below on YouTube channel. So you can read those all. You can improve your reading from that source as well. And the last one, that is online radio, is one of the best sources for interviews. So tune into a good station. And the fifth one, the last tip, that is Ielts reading tips. You can take the help of a dictionary or the internet to know the meaning of some challenging words. Ielts preparation is all about making mistakes and correcting them. Mistakes are the part and parcel of life, so don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes can be done by any human being. Nobody is perfect in this world. And make a habit of skim and scan to form an idea through the text quickly. During IELTS preparation, read the instruction of every task carefully. Practice, mark the keywords during the reading test, and read newspaper every day and listen to the news to improve your reading skills. As I said to you in the first slide too, that newspaper is the best way to improve your vocabulary, to improve your reading, to improve even your sentence structure. So newspaper and magazines you must read, whether you want to do IELTS, whether you are free, don't want to do IELTS. Newspaper you should read. And thanks for watching. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have liked this video, must subscribe channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.